Okay, same car with the performance. Let's see how much. Okay, I wanted to look at the graph. I should have done that. It just automatically pushed X. Oh well. Yeah, according to the top speed and acceleration and handling, top speed is much higher than acceleration and handling. So, which in this case we might get less handling. But let's see. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Here we go. Awesome. Oh, I didn't even see that car, sir. I was looking at speedometer. At the tictometer, actually. I was like at 7 RPMs. Just like flooring it. Just love seeing that. Much faster. Handling I would not really recommend on this car. Handling is better without the performance. Or maybe you just all want to do is just all you probably really want to do is just add handling. It's not really good at sharp turns at high rate of speed. But man, I just love digging to the red line in this car. That was actually a pretty good turn. Let's go uphill now. I won't change in manual mode because of the performance I have. No, Chunky. Alright, third gear, like past 70 miles an hour. We were like 72, 73. This thing won't get up to 8 RPMs, I don't think, but it will get between right in the middle of 7, 8 RPMs, which would be which is awesome really to see though. It's like you're forcing it to the red line, and I love taking these cars to its red line, especially when you floor it and then all you see is just the car going to its red line. So the handling, if you can really drift into your turns, it's not gonna be that bad though. Alright. 0 to 60. I should have just done it. But I will do it right now. That probably was about 5.9 seconds, I'd say. And at the top of second gear, you'll get to 60. So then that way you don't have to upshift and then get to 60, which is actually pretty good. So right at 60 it upshifts, which is better than the last car. I mean, maybe not exactly what you're looking for, but I'd say it's okay for this car. Now let's do with the burnout. That's about 4.8 seconds, maybe 4.7 or 6 seconds, because I started a little bit later than I wanted to. About 2 seconds. About 2 seconds with both the NOS and the handle and burnout. Now we're gonna see top speed, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same. Around average is 160 or something. It actually should be a little bit better than our last car that we tested. We're digging in 7 RPMs right now. Yep. We figured out our average. Oh, that's a nice turn. I didn't even recognize I was just drifting right there. That was amazing. I like that turn. That was amazing. I can't really believe it. So handling, yeah, you're gonna lose handling, and then you can control your handling with this car, which I really like to do. I wish I could get this to 8 RPMs, just like burn it down there and like boil it, burn your engine, just make it explode or something. And that was a bad accident. I'll see you in the next car.